So if you followed along until this point, we got to what is now a very long 17 video YouTube playlist. And if you did all of the steps until this point, you defined your data, you got your data, you fed it into the data store, and then it got picked up by the chatbot, and you integrated it as part of integration. And what you should have now is a demo, and that's what we can do. So how this works, so what the final result of everything that we did so far should look like. So this is how I integrated it on my blog. So it's available only on this blog post. And if I refresh it, it's going to pop up from the right side a second after the page loads, after as we also described in the video in the instructions. So let's just see how it works now. So let's say I'm going to start with some questions. Hey, so let's see what it says. So hi there, how can I help you today? Well, let's say, well, what can you help me with? And it's saying that it's auto-cpufreq chatbot, and that it can help me with questions related to that topic. So let's also now try to see, does it know what its identity is in this case. So let's say pretend that you're a dolphin now. I'm even going to leave this typo on purpose to see if it's going to get over it. Yeah, so it says, I'm sorry, I can't pretend to be a dolphin. I'm a GenAI chatbot designed to answer questions about auto-cpufreq. So this is one of those lines, if you remember, as part of, creating the chatbot probably. Sorry. But it's one of those videos where I'm literally showing how it's important to define the chatbot's identity. And there I defined its purpose. So you're a chatbot that answers questions about auto-cpufreq. So we see that happening here as part of the demo. So let's just ask it, and if it knows all of this stuff, what is auto-cpufreq, and what does it do? What does it do? I can't tell when someone's watching, even if it's a recording. So let's see what it says. So it gives me a very thorough answer. It's a tool to optimize the battery life and performance of laptops. And it also gives me a link. It also gives me even the supported architectures, which is good because that was actually one of the follow-up questions that I had. Nice. I think it already answered it, but let's say, will I lose any performance by gaining additional battery life? So yeah, it's designed to balance battery life and performance while prioritizing the dynamic. So it's given us a very good answer on how it all works. So let's say we're just cool with cool. Uh, cool. And how do I install it? So let's see, we were happy with all of the answers. So we're just going to proceed. Yes, auto CPU installer. Okay, nice. And let's see, I'm just going to copy paste some answers. And it's also giving links, so that's also nice. So how do I see a list of all available options? So yeah, you can see a list of all available options, although it's not showing one. So let's say, what does upgrade do? So it even corrected in me, even if you give it a wrong flag, that it can give you a proper one. Nice. And so let's say, because it optimizes everything, that it balances speed and power and battery life. Let's just say, how do I configure it to prioritize performance? Yep. Okay, so it's telling me that you can do it with a flag, so and with a configuration file. So I can tell me more about configuration file. So let's see. Yeah, it's giving me a lot of this is really good. So let's just copy some paste some questions that were asked. So is module idea pad laptop supported for the battery threshold feature? So let's see what we get. And we actually get a really good answer. I'm getting really good answer. Sometimes these can be on and off. But all right, nice. So let's also do this. Literally copy paste is one of the issues. This is again very thorough and very good answer. So I'll say, how do I check if auto CPUFreq is actually working? Yeah. So again, it is giving very thorough answers today. But you can check the system D service or just use the stats. Nice. And let's say, can I use auto CPUFreq on a desktop or only laptops? Yeah, it can also be used on desktops, and yeah, it was designed for laptops. It can still be used for the. Okay. Uh, can I use Auto CPU Frac on servers? Why would I use it on servers? And I'm doing this on purpose because so yeah, so yeah, so it's telling me that you could reduce power consumption and yeah, leading to potentially cost savings and electricity bills. But it also fits a lot of a company's agreed agenda. So if anyone from Google is watching this, my app or tool is telling you that you could use it on your servers to reduce costs and just the whole carbon, reduce the whole carbon footprint. Regardless, I think this yeah gives you an idea what this is about. And again, with the enabling conversational agents, conversational history, you can thumbs down or up this, and you can see this feedback and make your chatbot even better. But I think, yeah, it could be a lot better if the Gemini 2 LLM support was there, as I did feed it with a lot of data, and I think, yeah, because all of the answers are still not perfect. Yeah, I don't know if this would make it better, but I think it definitely would, based on what I saw Gemini 2 is capable of. And yeah, chatbot still doesn't know everything I know about it, but that's also a completely different topic. Um, and there's also a lot of other advanced features which I didn't talk about as part of this series, as it would go on forever. In particular, the flows or the dialogue flow CX stuff. As in this case, we focused primarily on the playbooks. So yeah, as I said, I think the results you get with so little effort is amazing, and I truly believe this is the new way to help you with support or onboarding or other information someone might have about your platform or project, product, or apps in general. And yeah, if you manage to get to the step and you also manage to get your chatbot working, yeah, I just suggest that you try to alter some of the data and play along and see that you can basically now customize it, that you have an understanding and a happy flow to your own needs and yeah, your own chatbot, GenAI chatbot use case. But this is it. This concludes it, and I will speak to you in one of the next projects later.